Hi, my name is Tony Smedal. This is a short demonstration for installing and configuring our basic WordPress plugin for payments. Without further ado, we'll see that I have a vanilla WordPress website spun up and ready to go. We're going to go to Plugins within the dashboard. Let's click Add New Plugin. And here we'll search for Heartland. Heartland offers a handful of plugins for this. However, the one we're focused with today is the WordPress Secure Submit plugin offered here. Let's click Install Now, and we'll go ahead and activate, of course. Now then, we see it is installed, and we see the Secure Submit icon on the left-hand menu. Let's go ahead and go into Settings. And you'll see a handful of configuration options here. The ones we're focused on just to get up and running are the API credentials. I happen to have my test API keys ready to go. After pasting them into their respective fields, let's click Save Changes. All right, everything is finished here. Everything that we need to get up and running in the most basic sense. Let's go to Pages and install the form on a given page. Now, to have the form appear on a page, it's as simple as typing in this shortcode, Secure Submit. After it's saved, we should be ready for a test transaction. And voila, we see it active here. Again, this is a very basic payment form. However, in a lot of cases, that's absolutely what is needed. Let's give it a test run. And again, I'm using test API keys. They're tied to a test merchant account. So it doesn't matter if I use test credit card numbers, such as this one. Let's click Submit. And voila, we've processed our first payment. I do want to show one other way that this plugin can look. Let's go back to the donation page that we set up earlier. And in the shortcode, we're going to pass modal true as an option. After saving, let's go back to that test page. And now we have a payment button, which offers a little modal, which some might find more appropriate for their uses. And there you have it. That's the other display option that the button offers. Now, the list of other options that this plugin offers can be found on the installation page for the WordPress plugin itself. If you do have any questions, though, please don't hesitate to reach out. Our contact means can also be found on the plugins page. We're here to help. I hope you found this recording useful. Have a nice day.